Alright guys, you're welcome. Yes, I'll be showing you the many part of that video, the site of Bryant, what really happened, and the crashed site of the helicopter. Now, if you're new to my channel, don't forget hit the red subscribe button on the notification bell, because here I'll be giving you more cool trending updates you need to know. Now, guess what? Bryant wasn't alone in that helicopter. Yes, he was with his daughter Gianna and Gianna'S. Now, and it happened that they discovered him first, and finally they have confirmed him dead. Now, the daughter, who is also a fast rising basketball player, well, it's so sad that this happened, but it has happened. So we are send condolences to the family of Kobe Bryant. So guys, I love you to put your comments on the comment section too. Thank you for staying by. Don't forget hit the red subscribe button on the notification bell, because we give you more hot trending updates you need to know. Check our next video.